Hi, boy. What is up, you guys? Thank you for watching another YouTube video. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to keep updated with the builds. I got the Mercedes and the WRX. And in today's video, the WRX is going to get new taillights, guys. Yes, finally I pulled the trigger on getting new taillights for this car. This is the OEM ones. That's how they look. I just put the tint over them to make it look a little bit more better, in my opinion. The box is inside. I'm gonna go get it real quick, and then I'm gonna wash it real quick before putting the tail lights on, and then they should all go smoothly. Okay, guys, and just like that, boom, the car is clean. I also went and cleaned the Mercedes. That thing's clean too. And now let's see here. So the bolts you're gonna have to take off are this one, and this one over here. So you're gonna take those off. I'm still not sure what size it is. Let me try this one. Okay, that one's too big. So you're just gonna take those bolts off, just unscrew them, and then you're gonna unplug everything on both sides. Okay, guys, so the tool that you're gonna have to use is one of these. Well, I'm using this. It's an 8mm, and they're really not tight. You just twist them a little bit, and then you just take them off. Okay, guys, and just like that, the tail light is out. Okay, so what you do is once you take off those bolts right there, that one and the three, you just give it a little force to the outside while holding it outside so the tail light doesn't fall, obviously, and it should easily come out. So this is my old tail light. I guess I will show you guys how this one looked before. I'll place the camera on the floor or something, and then so you guys could see how this one worked. So that's about it for those, and then I'm just gonna do that one real quick, and then I'll show you guys the new tail lights. Okay, guys, I installed one. Super easy. I just wanted to install one so I could explain to you guys on the next one over here. So once you get the tail light, you want to run your wires through there, and then there's this clip. You're gonna have to slide your tail light in. It's super easy, guys. It won't take you more than 30 seconds just to put it in. So once you do that, just make sure to tighten the bolts over here, just so the tail light doesn't fall and breaks, and then your day would be ruined. So after that, you just connect the wires. I'm still not sure what this yellow wire does over here, but we'll find out after I install the other ones over there. Anyways, first impressions, it looks way different. I like it though. I was planning on going with like the other ones that are like this, like a C-still, but like this style. But since these just came out last year, I'm just gonna try something new. Many people don't really have these still, so I copped these, and let me show you guys how these things are called. Let me see. This is the box say OLM Evolution Taillights Clear Lens with the red bar. Here's the other one. This is how the package comes. Subi Speed packs them real good. Nothing's gonna break on you. And then, so I'll install these, and then we'll be good to go. Oh, and also one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that you need to take these caps off. That cap off, there's 3 caps, and then put them in. Okay, guys, so now I put all the bolts in, the 3 bolts. Now I'm just gonna connect that to that. Okay, and if you have your fog light in the bottom, this is the cable that runs up to the bottom. So I think this is the adapter that they send you, this one. So you connect it right here, and then this end you connect right there. And now with this end right here, now you just connect it to the tail light. Wow, you guys, this thing looks insane. It looks so cool. Yeah, so different. Now it actually matches the fog light now. I'll turn on the lights right now so you guys can see the different options. I don't know if you guys saw that little switch that the tail light has inside. If you switch it, if you switch between if you want the sequential signal or the non-sequential, so it will just flash instead of the sequential. So I'll put the brake on, and then I'll just have the running lights on, and then I'll put the signal, and then I'll put the reverse light as well. Okay, so that's how that looks, guys. And maybe later on in the future, I'll probably do like a review video on these taillights to see like my overall impression over time, see if they create any condensation inside of them. So anyways, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like it up, comment on things you guys would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, guys.